Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Zoom. So all you need to do is to follow these simple steps. First, you need just to go to the Zoom application and log in to your account. After that, you will need just to create a new meeting so we can schedule it. So either you can just simply click on schedule and click on schedule, and here you will add a topic of the meeting, test meeting, and here you can have the invited people if you have some contacts. And basically you need just to have some contacts on your account so you can have them here. And here, this is the important part, is the date and time of the scheduling. So basically, you will need just to add a starting point from a date and having a time, of course. You can set a duration for your meeting. So if you have a 30 minutes meeting, it will cut or it will end at 30 minutes from the start of the meeting. Otherwise, you can either generate automatically the meeting ID or have your personal meeting ID if you want a personal meeting. And of course, you can have some passcodes so not everyone can access to your meeting, etc. And you can have more advanced option or more control on your meeting. So basically, after that, you will click on save and just save. Let's have a start point. Let's have it somewhere here and can shut save. And of course, we need just to choose an account and continue. And basically, it will add this Zoom to our Google Calendar so we can have it as a meeting here. And basically, you can add a calendar, and now your Zoom meeting, after saving, you will have it already set. And basically, this is how you schedule a meeting. Thank you for watching and see you next time.